In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make the best resume with AI. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to find a job post on any platform you prefer. So as you can see, this is the job post that I've chose to apply for. Let's go ahead and open ChatGPT on our device. Let's sign in to our account. If you don't have a ChatGPT account, then just go ahead and sign up for an account. So you can create an account using your Google account, Microsoft account, and Apple account. So in here, you will need to paste a command. I'll provide you the command on the description box, so we'll just paste it here. After this, we'll need to copy the job description in this area and paste it along with our command and click on the enter button. So as you can see in here, you'll be able to find a completely tailored resume for you, which you can just paste on your Word document or Google Docs and submit to the job post that you've found online. And there you have it, folks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos. I'll see you in the next video.